Hey guys, what's up? It's like 8:15. I'm sitting on the floor and my son headbutted my face, so that's what that is. But I just made my first delivery order from Sally's Beauty and I am shook because I didn't even know this was a thing. They didn't even like charge me a delivery fee. I don't know. I spent about $24 online at Sally's Beauty between two Wella T18, the famous T18, and two Wella developers. It was about $24, and apparently it's getting delivered to my doorstep within like 3 hours. So today's video is gonna be kind of killing two birds with one stone. We're gonna do a hair toning session. I'm also gonna show you guys a really amazing eye look for hooded eyes. It's gonna be shadow lashes, but you're not gonna be closing your eye up. You're really gonna be opening it and enhancing it. Actually, this is the makeup I did last night, and that's the eye look I'm gonna show you how to do today for hooded eyes. And I feel like I'm babbling, but yeah, I've been getting some nice comments on here. I'm just really thankful for all the nice comments. You guys are pretty cool, unlike the people in my hometown. But yeah, stay tuned. It's gonna be a cool, fun video. Alright guys, hey, shout out to SALLYS. They dropped this off on my porch today, or it was probably like Instacart, but oh, I just showed everyone my address for no extra cost. Like, my items after tax were $24.36 and there was no delivery fee. I'm confused, but I'll take it. One thing I was iffy about when I was making the order was the Wella T18 itself was $7.99. I always get two Wella T18s and two toners unless it's like my hair is super short, but when it's like regular, I usually get 2 and 2. And the Wella T18 was $7.99, and I thought I could have swore it was like $3-4. So I got two Wella T18s for $7.99 and two Wella developers for $3.29 each. Now that that's out of the way, let's open the bag. Oh my gosh. They gave me an extra gift. Repair It Right Fave Conditioner to restore and strengthen. I needed this. I cannot believe they put this in there. I don't know if this is an extra gift or if it was an accident. I'm just gonna go with it was a gift. Has anybody ever used this? If so, how is it? I want to smell it. It smells nice. Oh my gosh, this is such a blessing. This is so nice. SALLYS. I was worried they might have like forgot something. 2 of each and an extra treat. Okay, so this is 1.4 ounces. This is 3.6. So use a little less than the full bottle to get the ratio of 1:2. We've been through this before. I don't need to explain ratios to you guys. I just can't get over that. I'm like very, I don't know the word. It's not lazy, but like, I don't know. I'm just gonna wing it though in that section because I'm only gonna do one box at a time. That's strong. Now we mix it up. And I am getting my roots because obviously I want to kind of tone them to blend in. This is so bad because I didn't section it all, and this is just like my goodness. This sucks. I didn't realize I got 20 developer. Alright guys, here we are. I saturated it pretty well and I will be back with results. Okay guys, so it is actually the next day. Yesterday I ended up getting super sick and I'm still recovering. I'm not very good at styling my hair, but this is the result. I'll try to give you guys a close-up. So not bad. It definitely kind of took out brassiness and yellowy tones. My front part that was the lightest blonde is very kind of like silvery, but yeah, I'm not hating it. Shout out to Wella and SALLYS because I really like that conditioner. I used it when I rinsed the product out. My hair is very soft. All right, I'm just going to blend in my bake and then I want to show you guys my go-to eye look for the moment for hooded eyes. Let's get started with the eye look. Into my Too Faced chocolate bar today. Classic OG. So how this look is going to start out is actually like relatively simple, pretty much your everyday eye look with the crease and everything. I'm going to start with this shade Hazelnut. I'm gonna go like a little above my crease. I usually like to drag my shadow crease out even just a little bit. Just blend, blend, blend. All right, next up, we're going to blend in a little bit of pink just to kind of spruce it up. This step isn't super important. I just thought, let me put some pink in there. But this pink is so pale, it's not really noticeable. Whatever. Okay, so then to go directly in the crease, we're taking a darker brown. This is milk chocolate. Forget that this smells like chocolate. Just doing my crease. Now the most important step of this look is actually gonna end up being the lashes. So do your shadow how you desire, and you could still do the lash trick I'm gonna show you. I'll also put a little that right in the middle of my bottom lid. Okay, 3 more easy steps for this brow. I want to do this one before I forget. I'm taking white chocolate and doing my brow bone, blending out that line from the shadow so it just looks like a blur. Alrighty, now we're doing a pretty shimmery shade on the main part of my lid, or my inner lid, and I'm going to use Marzipan. I don't even know what that is, but this is it. You could use your finger for this part, whatever you want. Going in my inner corner and then on my inner lid. Sometimes you may want to touch up the crease after that. Alrighty, and then we're just going to do a pop of a darker shade on the outer corner. I'm going to use Cherry Cordial. Butchered pronouncing that, but then I kind of drag that into the crease. It's important to blend this one. Okay, that's my shadow look. I lied, we're doing one extra step because I forgot. I really love this champagne truffle right here in the bottom left corner. I am gonna put some of that in my inner corner and brow bone. I'll even drag it under a little bit because I just like how that looks. And I only do the arch, like the highest point of my brow. I don't do the entire brow bone with that. Okay, let's get some mascara. All right, we're gonna do a regular coat of mascara. We just have 2 more quick steps. I'm using this pigmented NYX eye pencil here. It's in the shade bronze, but it's like a dark bronze. So say I'm putting this right on the inner lower lash line, and then doing a wing. We're gonna do the hooded eyeliner, which means we're gonna kind of cut the wing short and then just bring it down. So we're not bringing the thickness of the wing all the way over to the lid. We're keeping that outside the technical lid. Okay, so this is a very beautiful eye look by itself, but we're adding the finishing touch. So I'm taking a lash. I'm going to cut 2 pieces. So here's the first one, and I'm gonna do the next one. So there'll be a little piece that's left over that you can just throw out because we just want a small portion for each eye. So here's my 2 pieces. I'm gonna glue one on the outer corner of each eye, and we're gonna keep the inner lid completely opened. Sometimes the lash will close off the eye. Alright guys, here's the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.